Do you feel like you've lost touch with the strong, grounded version of yourself? Maybe life has worn you down, or past trauma made you forget just how powerful you truly are. If that sounds like you, this session is for you. By the end of this session, you'll feel more connected to your inner strength, more grounded in your body, and more trusting in your ability to move forward with resilience. Before we begin, take a moment to tune into how you are feeling. On a scale of 0 to 10, how disconnected do you feel from your inner strength? 10 being totally disconnected and 0 being fully in your power. Take a mental note of this number and we'll come back to it at the end. Now let's start by taking a long breath in. And exhale. Even though I feel disconnected from my inner strength, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I don't feel strong right now, I honor that feeling and everything I've been through. Even though I've lost touch with my resilience, I choose to reconnect with the strength that still lives within me. I don't feel strong right now. I feel like life has worn me down. Sometimes I forget how far I've come. I feel tired, heavy, and emotionally drained. It's hard to feel powerful when I've been through so much. I face so many challenges. I've had to survive more than I should have. And now I feel disconnected from my strength. I honor the part of me that feels weak. I acknowledge how hard life has been. I validate the pain that made me feel small. And I see the part of me that just wants to rest. I honor the younger version of me who carried so much. I understand why I feel this way. There is no shame in needing support. I honor all of me, even the parts that don't feel strong. I release the belief that I've lost my strength forever. I let go of the idea that being tired means I'm weak. I release the guilt for needing help or rest. I let go of the pain that tells me I'm not capable. I've released the heaviness I've been carrying. I let go of the belief that I can't handle what's ahead. I am ready to release the blocks to my strength. I allow those walls to gently fall away. My strength has always been within me. I've made it through everything so far. And that means I'm stronger than I think. I remember who I am. I've been brave even when I was scared. I trust myself to keep going. I honor my resilience. My strength is rising within me again. I feel a new sense of strength waking up inside me. I am grounded in my truth. I believe in myself and my ability to heal. I am standing taller in who I am. I feel safe to own my power. I am stronger than my past. I am resilient, steady, and capable. My strength is mine to reclaim. I feel grounded, centered, and connected to my power. I walk forward with courage and clarity. I trust my body, mind, and spirit to support me. I honor the strength that lives within me. Every breath I take reconnects me to my power. I feel safe in my strength. I am rooted, unshakable, and whole. I am strong and I remember who I am. Take a long breath in. And let go. Now check in. Where are you on that scale from 0 to 10? Do you feel a bit more connected to your strength? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know how much this has shifted for you. You might need to return to this session a few more times to go deeper, and that's completely okay. Healing happens in layers. I've created a free ebook called How to Overcome Anxiety, Stress and Burnout. If you'd like a copy, head over to my website. I'll leave the link in the description and as a pinned comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new tapping or healing session. It really helps me reach more people who need this work, and I deeply appreciate your support as always. And if you'd like to work with me one-to-one, please visit my website at mahesha.com. Until next time, I'm sending you so much love and light.